1. Set up your development environment. Install Node.js. Ensure you have Node.js installed. Use npx create React app My Portfolio to set up a new React project. Interactive backgrounds. Use particles or procedural shaders for a dynamic background. Example, create a star field or wave effect using Three.js. JSX. Saw import points. Point material from @react3/dre. Function stars. Const positions equals new float 32 array 5000. Map equals math. Random *10 to 5. Return points. Buffer geometry. Buffer attribute. Attach equals attributes position. Count equals positions. Length /3. Array equals positions. Item size equals 3. /buffer geometry. Point material size equals 0.05. Color equals white / points. Dynamic sections. Integrate scrolling into your 3D scene with React Spring or Framer Motion for smooth animations between sections. Example, trigger animations or camera movements on scroll. JSX. Saw import, use Spring. Animated from @React Spring/3. Function animated camera, scroll Y. Const Z equals use Spring. Z, scroll Y *10. Config, mass, 1. Tension, 120. Friction, 14. Return, animated. Perspective camera make default position Z equals Z/. Real-time data integration. Fetch data dynamically to showcase projects, e.g., using APIs like GitHub or Behance. Use Axios or Fetch for API calls. JSX. Saw import, use effect. Use state from React. Function projects. Const projects. Set projects equals use state. Use effect equals fetch https://api. github.com/users/your username/repos. Then res equals res. JSON. Then data equals set projects data. Return div projects. Map project equals div key equals project id project name /div. 10. Accessibility and mobile optimization. Accessibility. Ensure your portfolio is keyboard navigable and has proper ARIA labels. Responsive design. Make the 3D canvas responsive using CSS or Three.js viewport helpers. Use the use3 hook to adjust the canvas based on screen size. JSX. Saw import use3 from @react3/fiber. Function responsive canvas. Const size equals use3. Use effect equals / adjust objects based on size, width and size, height, size. Return null. Test performance on mobile devices to ensure smooth animations. 11. Testing and debugging. Use React developer tools in Three.js Inspector to debug components and 3D scenes. Test on multiple devices and browsers to identify rendering issues. 12. Showcase your portfolio. Add custom domain. Use services like Namecheap or Google Domains to personalize your URL. SEO optimization. Add meta tags, sitemap, and open graph tags for better discoverability. Social media. Share your portfolio link on LinkedIn, Twitter, and GitHub. Example resources and tutorials. React 3 Fiber documentation, link. Three.js journey, paid link. Free model libraries. Polyhaven, Sketchfab. Shader development. Explore shader examples on Shattertoy. Install Three.js, add Three.js using npm install 3. Use React 3/fiber, a React renderer for Three.js simplifies its integration. Install it with npm install @react 3/fiber. Enhance with Dre. Install @react 3/dre, a utility library for Three.js in React. 2. Plan your portfolio design. Layout. Decide on sections like About Me, Projects, Skills, and Contact. Theme. Choose a style, minimalist, futuristic, artistic, etc. 3D elements. 3D models for project previews. Animated avatars or characters. Interactive backgrounds. Tools like Figma can help design your layout visually before coding. 3. Create the 3D scene. Set up Canvas. Use Canvas from at React.3/Fiber to create your 3D space. JSX. Import Canvas from at React.3/Fiber. Function app. Return Canvas / add lighting, cameras, and 3D objects */ canvas. Export default app. Lighting and camera. Add directional, ambient, and point lights for dynamic lighting. Position the camera for the best view. JSX. Import orbit controls. Perspective camera from at React.3/Dre. Canvas. Ambient light intensity equals 0.5 / directional light position equals 2.5 intensity equals 1 / perspective camera make default position equals 0.05 / orbit controls / canvas. 4. Load 3D models. Use GLTF/GLB files for your 3D models. Tools like Blender can help create or modify models. Import models using at React.3/Dre's use GLTF/. JSX. Import use GLTF from at React.3/Dre. Function model. Const GLTF equals use GLTF / path to model / model. GLB. Return primitive object equals GLTF. Scene / 5. Animate your portfolio. Basic animations. Use React.3/Fiber hooks like UseFrame to create smooth transitions. Physics-based animations. Integrate libraries like at React.3/Canon for physics. Interactive controls. Allow users to rotate models or click on them for more details. JSX. UseFrame state equals ref current rotation y plus equals 0, 0, 1 / rotate object. 6. Add interactivity. Click events. Use onClick for interactive elements. Scroll effects. Libraries like React Scroll can sync scroll with 3D animations. Hover effects. Use onPointer over and onPointer out. JSX. Function interactive object. Return. Mesh onPointer over equals console. Log hovered. Box geometry / mesh standard material color equals blue / mesh. 7. Optimize for performance. Reduce model complexity. Use simpler models for faster loading. Lazy load components. Use React Suspense for model loading. Optimize textures. Compress and resize textures for better performance. Post-processing. Use effects like bloom or depth of field sparingly.